Hey folks, I'm just dropping in for a quick video today. Not too long ago, I reached out to the interwebs and I was like, hey, someday I'm going to have some shelves behind me. I'm going to build out some shelves or buy some, probably build them out. We'll see, depending on time and money and all that. But I reached out to the internet and I said, hey, I'm about to have these shelves. What should I put on them? And of course, Mike Mollman reached out to me and immediately was like, how many of my books do you want? So just wanted to record a quick video of an unboxing of him sending these. I'm super excited to see them with my very own eyes. Let's get into it. Now, forgive me as we're kind of doing this floating head thing. I wasn't really sure what a good angle for this would be, but this is what we're doing. Got the box, got myself some pre-cuts. I'm going to start digging into it. So let's just open it up immediately, and I'll be pulling things up as I got them. First of all, we got paper. Keep these books safe, of course. Appreciate the thought. And oh my god, I know I've only ever done one of these unboxings before, but both times I'm just getting blown away by what is happening here. Okay, so first one, it looks like we got some paper. There's a wax seal on it. Whoa, look at that. This is so cool. Okay, so this is the paper wrapping for the Haley Traveler, as you can see at the top right there. It looks like we have a map of a planet with a bunch of cities and places on it. Oh man! Oh, and the Children of Mars book saga 1. So we got some paper wrapping with this wax seal right here, and like it feels legit. Like, let's see if we can get a close up view. What is exactly? I think it is a spaceship. Ooh, do I open it now or do I save it for later? Like, do I put it on the shelf like this? No, I'm definitely gonna open it because I want to read this book. I haven't read this one, so I'll save that. We'll put this one right here for now, right behind the stand. That one's gonna chill there, and we'll open it up in a second. But for now, let's get into the other one because there's two in here. And this one, another wax. Ooh, oh my god, I love the wax seal on this one. It looks like we have an owl there, which this is the wrapping for, I think, Becoming a Druid. How to Become a Druid? Yes, the Brittany series, which I have read the first one of this, enjoyed it immensely. Very like a Arthurian kind of like old school adventure, but very fun. I think Mike Mollman likes to describe it as the main character makes as many problems as he solves. But now that we have these, let's get the box out of the way. And honestly, let's open this puppy up. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so I've got the wax seal right here. I almost want to keep the wax seal in the paper, but okay, nope. We're just gonna go for it. It's Christmas Day, wrapping paper, full wrapping paper style. We're just going. I feel bad, but I also feel amazing. Becoming a Druid right here. Got a little glare on that. Sorry, but God, look at these hardcovers. Like it's a door knocker. This is a beautiful book. Man, this is going to be a great addition onto the shelf. Now, I've read this one. I liked it a lot. I would definitely encourage starting this one if you want to check out Mike Mollman's fantasy works. But let's see what's behind the other wrapping paper. I'll put these off to the side. Bam. Now, this one I haven't read. Mike reached out. He's like, how many do you want? I said, let's save some room on the shelf for other authors that we can get on there too. So I told him two, the one that I've read already and this one, which I haven't read, which is one of his sci-fi entries. So let's open up this one too. We're going full Christmas on this one again as well. I need to be more aggressive with my Christmas. But look at these colors. Wow, that is stunning. I actually think I might like this cover more. I like the colors, I like the design. The typography is really nice. This whole thing is really solid. The Children of Mars Saga Book 1. Man, this is beautiful. Get them a little side. Oh, these are gonna look great together. Right here with the green and natural and the Marsy color here. This is gonna be great. Anyways, Mike, thank you so much for these. I'm very excited to read the Haley Traveler now. These are going to look great on my bookshelf. Thank you so much.